Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to hide games played in Roblox. So if you want to hide the games that you are playing in your Roblox account and you don't want anyone to know what you are playing, so to do that what you have to do is first of all open up your Roblox application, and after opening your Roblox application just tap on the three dotted icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen, and now you have to tap on settings. After tapping on settings, now you have to tap on the third option, privacy, and after tapping on privacy you have to scroll all the way down, and in other settings you have to tap on the third option, who can join me in experiences. So you just have to tap on that option, and if that option is set in friends, user I follow and my followers, you just have to change that to no one. So after changing it to no one, what will happen is friends or followers or anyone from that account will not know what game you are playing, and the games will be hidden from others. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.